So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete your Temu account. So first of all, open up your app. After you've done that, you can see at the bottom home, categories, you and your cart. You can see a search bar in the middle of the page. Now through here, I suggest you click on you. After you've done that, you can see your orders, your messages, reviews, history, addresses, and following, as well as the gear icon in the top right corner. Click on that. After that, you can see your payment methods, country, region, which are all general settings, but you want to go a bit specific and go to account security. After that, you can see your account information. And if you scroll down just a bit, you will see underneath delete your Temu account. So click on that. Through here, you can see how to delete your account. And you can click and switch on I want to permanently delete my account. After that, you can click continue, and you can see please select the main reason for deleting your account: unsatisfied with products or logistics, I have multiple accounts, safety reason, or I don't want to provide a reason. You don't even have to tell them why it is you are deleting if you don't want to. You can use some of these reasons as well. So if you click on another, you can type out what it is that bothered you, or you can just click on I don't want to provide the reason. Then click on next. After that, for your account security, we need to make sure it's really you. You can choose the following ways to verify your identity. You can type out your email verification code, or you can use password to verify identity. So choose one of those. And after that, your account will be deleted. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Temu or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.